All right, so this is our CS 125 final project. It's our fourth time attempting this recording, but my name is Eric Monson,
And I'm Matt Taylor.
and this is going to be just a brief rundown of our app called Audio Mirror. If you'd like a longer explanation, we have it on a 15-minute video that I've also submitted.
Yeah, so like Eric said, this is Mirror Audio. And basically it uses the Bluetooth API. So yeah, above we listed the Bluetooth API documentation, and we also have a couple helpful links. One of those being Mitch Tabian. He had some really helpful tutorials to stuff. We have a couple of broadcast receivers that do some pretty cool functions and that are pretty important. They make these intense and get extras. And they're integral to our project. I just want to touch on device list adapter. That class, it uses the layout inflator to inflate our list view for the unpaired buttons, unpaired devices. And then also Bluetooth connection service takes different UUIDs and connects them to the socket. And that is how we get our actual connection.
So going on from there, we actually moved to the UI section of our app, and so Matt already mentioned a bit the device list adapter, which basically inflates a view of a bunch of different device names that we have discovered as Bluetooth devices and puts them on a list view in our activity main.xml. But we have our logo up here, a button here, which has a little bit of a surprise built into it, and then our different list views down here. So opening this up in the emulator itself, so interesting problem we had is that Android emulators actually don't come with Bluetooth support enabled, so we had to work in this little error message saying the device was not supported, and we grayed out the discover button because the emulator doesn't actually have Bluetooth. This proved to be a big problem because only one of us actually has an Android phone, but we'll talk more about that a little bit later. So to actually get the device to work and for the UI to actually look correct, we can move on to Matt.
So here I have my mom's phone connected to USB debugging. So first things first, we use an Android manifest. We get the Bluetooth permissions. As you can see here, it says an app wants to turn Bluetooth on for this device. So I press allow, and now Bluetooth is on. Quickly, I want to show you if Bluetooth was off, Discover would be grayed out. So first things first, we have a list of pair devices, and if I want to discover a new device, let me just connect my AirPods really quick, and then I'm going to press on Discover.
And you'll see
And
that
so,
cool little animation there.
so as you can see, here are the available devices. If the name isn't present, we just displayed the address. That was the quickest workaround we had. So if I click on the device, pair with Matt's AirPods Pro, I press pair, it's paired. So yeah, really cool. It's basically just like, in my opinion, a cooler version of the settings Bluetooth section. So, yeah, Eric.
Yeah, it didn't exactly live up to our expectations. We originally hoped to have the app mirror audio between two Bluetooth devices so you could have two sets of headphones working at the same time. However, we ran into a hardware limitation because Matt's mom's Android phone is old, and the actual Bluetooth that it comes with isn't able to share to multiple devices. So unfortunately, that didn't work, and we ended up just making a glorified settings connect to different Bluetooth devices. But it works, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
thank you.